Kira.
Asa tayo mo tindibir na
Wow.
Ano mo tindibir na dako?
Kira, here's your book, Kira.
Ami bi para mo dol sa ko. Ayo bilang ato tindibir.
Kira.
Pero sa din na
Dili napay dako na.
Wow! Wow!
Batman na. Ayun.
Color man. Color.
Mukha na.
Kasi dala mag-color.
Swan.
I have something again! Kira, look! Kira, look!
Abi ba?
You're Big Daddy!
Dool.
Basa sa Jake. Oh, kabalik mo basa.
Ah!
Na mga una ta oy. Gutom na oy.
So, prepare na sila sa mga ready. Preparing the bridesmaids. Yeah. Then. Good. You want help? Here we go.
I have to save them.
Save what?
The gift.
The gift? Have to save it the gift? Oh, where's the scissor? Wait. It's from Ate Kaloy and Sibsib, baby Sibsib. Oh, you open it, careful. Here you go. Kuya. Let's lay it to the other side. Oh, wow. It's a glass. Perfect glass. For wine. Okay. Ta-da! Open it. Okay. Here, Jamboy and Finger. The other side. Okay.
What's up, kuya?
What is the kuya?
Wow! This is so nice!
Cagayan SM.
Huh?
Cagayan SM.
Wow!
Naman, diniklip akong ulo. Hindi, sa akin. What is that, kuya? It's rice cooker.
Wow!
Oh, wow!
Sige na nila.
It's a rice cooker.
Guys.
Sa mo ang friend.
Ito. Cards. Oh.
Teka ni isa kasi.
May rice cooker.
Ika
Sarge. Thank you, Sarge.
Thank you, Sarge. Well, it's from Mitch and Junie.
This is for you.
Okay, yeah. You open it, kuya.
I can't open it.
Why? Sissy can open it. Why you not? Why you not? Okay. Okay. Lang. Langi. Ali. Ooh, another rice cooker. Duwa na tong rice cooker lang. Thank you. Hey, you open it properly, kuya. There we go.
Is it same thing?
Oh yeah, it's the same thing. The other one.
But they have different colors.
Size. The size only. Is it amazing? Oh, you want to open the other one?
Oh, it's not.
Oh wait, we're gonna ask for help first. Wait. Lang! Lang! Alisa ba? Tabangin sa sikiyan. Okay. Ang hatag ni Mitch lang, rice cooker, pero mas dako pa.
Ito na siya.
You pick the other one. Go. Open it. Open. It's from
Kaya kita nilang.
Nobert. Mitch.
Kamit.
Ayan. And this one is from Nobert. So you get the scissor. Where's the scissor? Lang, narito ang scissor lang pala. Lang. Can you do it?
What is the phone?
No? It will? Oh, ikaw daw lang. Di siya kabalo daw. Di daw.
Okay.
You have to be careful.
Yeah, you have to be careful or you're gonna cut your hands.
Or is
Okay, open and what is that? Uy, pariyakan kan. It's a bowl. 6 pieces for veggie. And next, open another one.
One. Scissors.
no, I got it.
It's from Iglopas.
You can get it.
You can do it.
Oh,
You're strong, kuya. You can do it.
strong.
Or do you need a scissor na lang? A scissor na lang? Okay, I'm gonna cut it. Or ribbon cutting.
Yeah.
Yes, it's from Iglopas.
Igloo.
Jubin. It's from Tito Jubin.
Oh.
What is that?
Look at picture.
I saw it.
Not Pyrex.
Wow.
For the food. See? Can use this. It's from what that name? Ang Coloseo sa Tililia. Can you open it? Can you open it? Can you?
I can't.
Oh, you can't? Okay, okay. Okay. Careful, careful. Careful with your hands.
It's not working.
Yes, you can. Okay, slowly. Okay, I'm gonna hold it.
What it will fold?
Fold only? No,
The scissors is not
let me do it again.
working.
See?
Wala kailangan sa gunting lang.
Kanira kay dili kay kuan.
One.
Pero di mo tamad. Okay. It's from Lolo Jose and La Lilia. Oh, fun. It's fun. Caldero. Caldero. It's not caldero, it's a fun.
No, it's a matakip.
Oh, careful. Your feet.
Another one. Okay.
Yay, we're almost done. You open the another one. Yeah, another one. It's from Obiel family. What's inside? Yes? Open it. Okay. Oops! Another pirate. Ate, buta spaghetti. This is where you put your spaghetti, kuya.
Wow.
Is it nice, kuya? You can borrow it. Put on a lot of spaghetti. Careful with your feet, okay?
Did I eat it?
Hmm?
Almost done.
Only few. There's only few left. One more. Two tomorrow. Two tomorrow. Two to go. It's from Ninong and Ninang Bongales. Thank you. Okay. Oh, wow.
Sa gym na, sa gym.
Sa gym.
Oh, it's a plate.
Oh.
Dumbbell.
Yeah.
Thank you for the dumbbell.
Dumbbell. It's from Kuya and Ate Ursula. Okay. Careful. You open it big, wide. Okay. What is that?
It's a towel.
Towel? Oh. Careful your hands.
So,
A couple towel.
towel.
Okay.
You cannot take a bath, kuya.
Thank you for helping us, Kuya, for opening the gift.
Nothing.
You watch, continue.
Oh